Are you worried about premature gray hair in your 20s or 30s? You're definitely not alone. In this video, I'll reveal the best gray hair treatments that work naturally and are super easy to follow at home. We'll also dive into a complete guide for premature gray hair reversal, including causes, myths, and powerful home remedies to bring back your natural color. Let's begin with the basics, because knowing the root cause is half the cure. Here are the top causes of premature gray hair. 1. Genetics. If your parents or grandparents had early graying, you may be more prone to it too. But don't worry, lifestyle and diet can still make a difference. 2. Vitamin deficiencies. Lack of vitamin B12, vitamin D, iron, and folate has been linked to early graying. These vitamins are essential for melanin production, the pigment that gives your hair its color. 3. Oxidative stress. Free radicals damage the melanin-producing cells in your hair follicles. This happens due to pollution, poor diet, smoking, or chronic stress. 4. Smoking studies show that smokers are 2.5 times more likely to develop gray hair prematurely. 5. Excess use of heat and chemicals. Bleaching, straightening, and frequent dyeing can weaken hair follicles and reduce melanin. 6. Poor diet and gut health. A junk food-heavy diet, irregular meals, and poor gut health reduce nutrient absorption, affecting hair growth and color. So now you know what's behind premature graying. But is it reversible? Science says yes. While genetics play a role, studies have found that lifestyle and nutrition can reactivate melanin production, especially in younger people. Let's now explore powerful gray hair treatments that can do all of this without expensive products or chemicals. Wait, before we continue, if you've learned something valuable so far, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Watch the video till the end to know some common myths about gray hair. Let's know the treatments. 1. Amla, Indian gooseberry, the melanin booster. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It strengthens follicles and stimulates pigmentation. How to use: mix amla powder with coconut oil. Heat gently and massage into the scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Bonus: drinking fresh amla juice daily helps from the inside too. 2. Black sesame seeds, the ancient Chinese remedy. These are loaded with copper and help restore natural hair color. How to use: eat 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds daily on an empty stomach. Continue for 3 months consistently. 3. Curry leaves plus coconut oil minus South Indian secret curry leaves are high in beta-carotene and amino acids, which boost melanin. How to use: boil a handful of curry leaves in coconut oil. Strain and store. Massage into scalp twice a week. 4. Onion juice. Sulfur-rich and proven. Onion juice increases catalase enzyme, which helps preserve pigment. How to use: apply freshly extracted onion juice, toss scalp. Leave for 30 minutes, rinse. 3 times a week for visible results in 2 to 3 months. 5. Vitamin-rich diet. Eat foods rich in vitamin B12, eggs, meat, dairy, copper, lentils, nuts, dark chocolate, iron, leafy greens, raisins, dates. Drink plenty of water and avoid processed sugar. Let's bust some common myths about gray hair. 1. Plucking 1 gray hair causes more to grow? False, but plucking weakens the follicle. 2. Only old people get gray hair? False. Even teenagers can have premature graying. 3. Dyes are the only solution? False. Natural reversal is possible with consistency. If you want to bust common myths about vitamin D, watch the video in the description. Okay, premature gray hair isn't the end. It's a signal to reset your health, nourish your roots, and take back control. You now know how premature gray hair reversal is possible with natural gray hair treatments that really work. So start today, be consistent, stay patient, and let nature work its magic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. More natural beauty and wellness content is on the way. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.